how to reset your Apple Watch. This is my iPhone, that is my Apple Watch. So I'm going to show you 3 ways to do this. With the iPhone, you just have to go to the watch application, then go to my watch, and in my watch, scroll down till you see general. In general, you want to scroll down further. At the last, we have an option to reset. Even in reset, we have multiple options like erase Apple Watch content and settings, reset home screen layout, reset sync data, remove all mobile plans. Well, now we are done with the iPhone. We are going to come to the Apple Watch now. In this Apple Watch, I have a passcode. So with the passcode, I'm going to show you how to do that afterwards. So now I want to go to settings. To go to settings, I'm just going to press on the crown and then go to settings. In settings, you can use the crown to scroll or just swipe your finger across and then go to general again. Scroll down till you see reset, which is the second last option just before shutdown. And here you can see erase all content and settings, or if you scroll down further, we have reset home screen layout. So that is with the Apple Watch. That is if you know your passcode. However, if you don't know the passcode, you want to plug in your iWatch to a power source. For now, I'm just going to use my MacBook for a power source. Once you have plugged it in, go and press the crown. Under the crown, we have the side key. If I click on it, it's going to ask me for a passcode. I know the passcode, but for this video's sake, I'm just going to say I don't. So then hold on to the side key and then you have these options. After you come to this option, you want to hold down the crown and then here you can see we have the option to reset. Once you click on reset, it's going to ask me whether I'm actually sure to do this. I'm just going to hit reset and now it's going to reset for me. And that is basically how you do it. Hopefully this video has been helpful to you. The Apple Watch should start in a few minutes. Hopefully this video has been helpful to you guys. If it has been, do make sure to like, share and subscribe.